am Dr. Ozgur Koldas, and I am a medical aesthetics practitioner. I have been practicing medical aesthetics and medical aesthetics trainings for approximately 20 years now. If Botox is the bread and butter of the medical aesthetics, fillers definitely complete the Botox. Yes, I would like to talk about fillers.
İnsanların yüzlerindeki yaşlılık görüntüsünü, yaş alma bulgularını, yer yer çökmeleri, yorgunlukları,
This is a process that treats the patient's aging image, signs of aging, dippings, fatigue, decay, depressive aspects under the eyes, sadness gestures on the side of the nose and mouth, decaying on the outer parts of the eyes, etc. That defines people's emotions, even though they do not have those emotions.
Kişilerin duygu durumlarını ifade eden, aslında o duyguya sahip olmasa bile bir nevi etiket gibi üzerine yapıştırılan görüntülerin belki de giderilmesi için uygulanan özel bir işlemdir. Bu
This treatment makes people feel younger, look stronger, and better express themselves.
Kendini daha iyi ifade etmeyi
It gets rid of an obsession.
Kurtarır. Düşünsenize, dudaklarının küçüklüğünden daima yakınan bir genç hanımefendi, veyahut da gözlerinin hemen
Think about
altında
it.
koyu
A young woman who
görüntüden
complains about her lip size, or a man who suffers from the darkness under his eyes, or a young woman who suffers from a slight asymmetry and weakness of her nose. Small additions, maybe a 10-minute long injection, can make them feel better about themselves.
Küçük bir takviye, 10 dakikalık bir enjeksiyon ile belki de kendini daha iyi hissedecektir.
This is not a surgery, but an injection technique. A person gains more performance and beauty with this injection technique. Of course, we want to get rid of those things that are obstacles on their working lives. This is why aesthetics exists. Fillers make use of many materials. One of them is hyaluronic acid. Probably everybody has heard of it. Hyaluronic acid is a matter that can be used variably, from cosmetic products to drinkable collagens, tablets, masks, and many other fields. In fact, the hyaluronic acid exists in the human body. In a sense, it is the cement for the body. This means that, just like the cement that holds the bricks in a wall, hyaluronic acid binds the main components, also known as collagens, together. What happens when a wall lacks cement? That wall collapses and seems smaller or disfigured. When you add cement to the right place in the right manner, the wall is renewed. This is how we practice facial beautifications or treat body deformities. How do we do this? Of course, under sterile conditions. This means that our practices are performed under sterile conditions and try to mitigate pain as much as possible. We can apply anesthetics with creams. We can also apply regional anesthetics to a specific area, and then we proceed into the filling procedure. We apply the necessary anesthetics for lifting the cheekbones, treating the adipose tissue on the chin bones or the chin, etc. Then we proceed into the process. The process consists of placing a hyaluronic acid-based filler material into the tissue.
Dolgunun yerleştirilmesi işlemidir. Yani şeffaf nitelikli bir maddeyi enjektör.
This means injecting a quality material from the injector into the tissue. This is nothing more than an injection. This is the filler liquid of 1 cc. Practitioners know how much of this filler material will be placed into where. The practitioner determines the amount of the filler to be used or the volume to be added after a long training and experience obtaining period, and then he or she performs the injection and filling.
Donanımlanma tecrübe döneminden sonra enjeksiyonu ve dolguyu yerleştirmeyi gerçekleştirmektedir. İşte bu noktadan sonra
This is a process to treat the weak cheekbones. Troughs near the nose that cause patients to seem sad, dark circles around the eyes that make patients seem tired, and the form of the chin that makes the face look feminine or masculine. These processes can be performed in short periods.
Maskülen karakterde rol çalan çene küçüklüklerini gidermek için uygulanan
Obsessions of decades can be treated in 10 to 20 minutes.
Yürütülebilir. Yani 10 yıllar boyunca takıntı haline gelen işlemler 10 dakikalar, 20 dakikalar boyunca giderilebilmektedir.
However, you need to apply for experts, trained hands, and units with legal authorization.
Sahip ünitelere başvurmak gerekir. Plastik cerrahi uzmanları,
These procedures must be performed by plastic surgery experts, dermatology experts, and practitioners with medical aesthetic certificate in clinics, medical centers, polyclinics, and hospitals. There are many places that practice these procedures illegally, and the procedures performed in such places may become a nightmare.
Bir kabusa döner. Gün geçmiyor ki basında herhangi bir
We see the news about false practice every single day.
Görmüyor olalım. Evet, bu uygulamalar
And a singular false practice can find a bigger place in the press among correct practices.
Basında çok fazla yer bulur. Bu bir korku ve bu bir endişe yaratabilir insanlar üzerinde. Ama
This can cause fear among people, but when the right materials are used in right places, patients will feel stronger, more beautiful, more self-confident, and younger.
Kendinden emin ve genç hissettirir.
What is filler? How is it applied? Dr. Ozgur Koldas answers your questions.